Arizona, homeowner's best friend.
Let's talk a little bit more about what's going on during the restoration. They may or may not be in the house.
Correct. Some of the damages are so substantial that resident has to be displaced, and then when you have a large water damage, a hazardous condition like mold or something like that, sometimes it doesn't have to be large scale to force them out of their home, but sometimes it's the hazardous conditions that are there. And sometimes we've got structural instability, a vehicle impact that comes through the home. I think we've had them drive completely through the home, right, from one side to the other. And so those are the kinds of things that where it might not make sense for the homeowner to stay in their residence. And so there's the displacement, there's all their contents. So what happens when they get displaced? Now all their contents are there in the home, but they're not in the home anymore, but they need their contents. So there's a lot of logistics that have to be addressed during that with anything that they might need to get them set up in a temporary residence while we do the repairs and then get them moved back in.
Rosie on the house, every Arizona homeowner's best friend.